Hello, Suzanne, Jennifer, all the way from Portland. The tribe are arriving. Namaste, Gasso. How are you guys doing? What's happening? Sylvia, Annalise, great big digital hug to you both. Lovely to see you. Very warm welcome. 6 o'clock Thursday, as always, Drunken Tribe are here for a meditation. Let's connect with one another. Take a deep breath. Let go of the day. Good evening, Linda. Lovely to see you. Angie, Matic, Treble 61. Great name. Okay. Hi, Irene. Lovely to see you. Very warm welcome. What's happening, guys? Are things getting intense or what? I don't know. The world's just like, oh, well, actually, I do know. What's happening is that the reason we're all gathered here today is because we're going through an initiation into an expanded state of consciousness. Call it evolution, call it, whatever, the shift, the age of Aquarius. We're going through a lot of changes. And like any kind of change, there's a gestation period, there's a birthing period. It's getting a little chaotic. It's going to stay that way for a while. But when we stay together, when we stay connected, then we empower each other. And something else I would like to share with you guys that's so important. I've said this so many times, but where your focus goes, energy flows. So it's so important that to focus on what we can control, what we can change, and then to do it from the heart, to do it with love, with consciousness, with awareness, with presence, and then miracles start to happen. Which reminds me, talking of the heart, this is where the power of love was born. An online course starting on Monday. It's your last weekend chance to grab a ticket. If you want to come and join me for 2 weeks, early morning meditation. If you can't manage the mornings, we record everything. So you won't miss a thing, I promise you. This is a really important one. The heart's not just about feeling love. It's about the treasures, the gifts that you have. It's about becoming empowered, focused, inspired to collaborate heart and mind in your focus, the thoughts, the ideas, the inspirations. Because you know what? 25% of our energy goes into our brain. 25%. That's as much as a marathon runner. So we need to be really clear about where our focus goes, because our brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagination. So we need to let go of this habit of negative thinking, of beating ourselves up, putting ourselves down, all that stuff, and shift that focus right now onto the breath, relaxing the body, being grounded, present and open. Okay, so I hope you're following me. So this course on Monday, we're really going to be looking at the treasures of the heart, raising our vibration, connecting with one another, and then using that energy not only for ourselves, but for others, for the planet as a whole. I'm so excited about this course. The Maharishi effect, we'll be using Taoist techniques, breathing, focusing. I'm so excited to be sharing this course with you. So come join me Monday. Links in the bio, grab a ticket. Even if you don't have a ticket, just come along anyway. Okay, so let's dive into today's meditation. Let's touch all those points right here, right now. Let's bring our focus into the present moment. The usual steps, connecting to the breath, the body, the senses, the heart. Okay, so let's just go through that slowly. So the first thing is, for the next 10-15 minutes, we're going to let go of the day. We're going to let go of all that anxiety or stress and problems and challenges and da-da-da-da-da. And do that by simply bringing your attention to the present moment, making that commitment. Just be here now. And just a little insight for you that what you're looking for is where you are looking from. It's really as simple as that. What you are looking for is where you are looking from. So what that means is this part of you that is aware, the part that is guiding your focus to the breath, guiding your focus to the body, guiding your intention to relax into the present, expanding your awareness to include the senses, listening to sounds, the taste in your mouth, the feelings, the emotions, the touch of cloth on your skin. There's so much going on in this moment. So by bringing your focus into this aliveness, this energy field of the here and now, you bring your energy away from overthinking, unnecessary thinking, and bring it into the here and now. Okay, you with me? If all that's too much, simply focus on one thing, just taking a conscious breath. Feel the aliveness of you as you breathe in. That beautiful moment of stillness when you're neither breathing in nor out. Capture that. And to be aware of the relaxation and letting go as you breathe out. It's like the 15-second meditation from a story a couple of days ago. So much in that. And as you bring your focus into the moment, the mind calms down. Connect to your senses. This is the doorway into tapping into your personal power, the treasures of your heart. Now as you connect with the moment, the body and the heart, the next step is acceptance. It's so important because if we start fighting the reality of what we're experiencing in this moment, we become divided. And then we start to feed thoughts again. I'm not good enough. This is right. That's wrong. Da 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 da. Acceptance means being aware of the content of your experience without any resistance to it. It doesn't mean it's okay. It simply means that you're remaining centered. And from that place of heart-centeredness, you're able to move, making a clear choice, a clear decision, taking right action from the heart. Breathing in, breathing out. Everything moves in rhythms, cycles. A day is a cycle of the sun rising and the sun setting. The rhythm of your heartbeat. The rhythm of your breath. So fall now into your natural rhythm. Just relax into it. It's like falling into sleep. There's no effort required. It's simply letting go. Yet perhaps having the subtle intention to remain present, to be aware. To let go of the past. There is no future. It will take care of itself. Be here now. Observing one moment as it gently flows into the next. If it helps you, you can even visualize a gentle ocean, the waves rising and falling, like the breath rising, the still point. And as the wave collapses, merges back into the ocean, and a new moment arises, a new breath, a new feeling of aliveness, a freshness. Fall into your rhythm. Accept whatsoever is there. And listen. Listen to your heart, to your intuition, the wisdom of your body. Even the flow of thoughts, that quiet voice that's not criticizing, that's not complaining, perhaps has a sparkle to it. Simply rest in that place of alertness, listening to your heart. And what do you hear? Always staying with the breath and staying connected. And also the wonderful thing about the heart, when you connect there, you move into a timeless space. Gratitude, appreciation arises. And as you connect more deeply with yourself, you also connect more deeply with others around you, who in this moment, as the Drunken tribe, this beautiful group of awakened souls who join together in this moment in meditation. We are connected. Suzanne, Annalise, Edgar. Feel that for a moment. Feel that connection and appreciate the beauty of it. What do you feel? What do you notice? What do you hear? When you let the mind go really still and you listen with the heart. Keeping the body relaxed. So being careful not to move into efforting. The mind would love to interfere, solve it for you. Just this heart space, acceptance, listening, being open. In a flow. Flowing in a way is not from the past into the future. Flowing is always now. Simply being. And when you feel that connection, there's something more than simply you. Something bigger, a deeper ocean. There's a joy that arises, a quiet joy, appreciation. Be open to feeling that. And if nothing's there, that's okay. This is a beautiful, natural state. One of the treasures of the heart. One of the most accessible ones. To feel joy, to experience gratitude. Be open to that. As we come to the end of the meditation, remember that this state of presence, of connection to yourself, to your heart, to your body, is always available to you. It's only a 15-second breath away. Just to appreciate that, the gift that you've given yourself today to nourish your soul, and to be still. Namaste, Gaso, sending so much love to you all in this virtual sanctuary. It may seem that we're far away from each other, but we're not, because I can feel you. Great big digital hug to you all. And also, this is the wonderful plant that was featured in a recent story by Veronica. We're looking for a name, so if you have any excuse me, any ideas, pop it in the chat. Love to hear from you. It's just a bit of fun. Love to connect with you. Annalise, Christia, Suzanne. Great. Yeah, I'm looking forward to Monday as well, Annalise, so much. It would be great to see you there. So I hope everything's going well in Belgium and the kids are okay. Linda, great big hug to you, and Alan, lovely to see you again. Thank you, my dear. You're most welcome. Namaste. Remember, if you find a name for the plant, let us know. All living beings are Buddhas. You know, this plant is a Buddha, and maybe it was a Buddha in a past life, came back as a plant for an easier one. I don't blame it. Wouldn't you like to have an easy life? Okay, let's enjoy this one first, and I will see you in the next session. Angie, that's great. After a crazy day in the office, I'm so glad to hear that, Angie, and I hope for tomorrow you have a more easy start to the weekend, actually. Take care, Christian. Greenie. Greenie. That's a great name, Christian. I like that, actually. Greenie. Yes. Well, okay, I'll share that with Veronica, and let's see. Okay. Connie, I'm afraid you joined just at the very end, but there will be a video soon. 6 o'clock at CET every Thursday. Maybe see you next week. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I will see you in the next session. Okay, Angie, you too. Lots of love. Take care, guys.